Trump signs executive orders on payroll tax, evictions, student loans, unemployment. President Donald Trump signed executive orders Saturday for a deferment on payroll taxes, an extension of unemployment insurance, and a moratorium on rental evictions. The president also signed an order that would defer student loans. The payroll tax holiday will affect Americans making less than $100,000 annually, and will be in effect from August 1 through the end of 2020. Trump said if he is re-elected in November, he may seek to extend the deferral and terminate the tax. The tax funds Social Security and Medicare benefits, The Washington Post reported. This will mean bigger paychecks for families, Trump said. Trump also said that $400 a week in extended unemployment benefits will be provided, with states to pay 25% of the costs. The Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security, CARES Act provided enhanced weekly unemployment benefits of $600 through July. I'm taking action to provide an additional or extra $400 a week in expanded benefits, $400, Trump said. That's generous, but we want to take care of our people. In his discussion about the eviction moratorium, Trump said it's not renters' fault that this virus came into the world, it's China's fault. The measures will provide immediate and vital relief, Trump said. The unemployment rate in February was 3.5%, the Post reported, but since the coronavirus pandemic, it soared to more than 14% in April, when large portions of the nation had to shut down. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment, and share.